Hello, Octavia Nails. Hello, Octavia Nails.
Hi, can I please make an appointment with Tony today?
Sure, what time would you like to come in?
Do you have anything for like 4:30?
Let me see. Today he's busy at 4:30. I can do 5:30 or 3:30.
I can do 5:30.
What would you like to get done?
Dip. Just my nails.
Okay, your phone number please.
409-443.
Romania?
Yes.
Okay, if you want you can come a little bit earlier for soaking, okay?
Okay, I will. Thank
you, Romania.
Bye.
Bye-bye. I'm gonna get your temperature, okay? It's 97.5. You can write at the last column.
Oh, hot.
Okay. Have a seat and he'll be right with you, okay? Hi, Indigo.
Yes, ma'am.
What can I help you today?
I want gel on my nails and just regular polish on my feet.
Okay, you want regular manicure, gel manicure, or full set?
Regular gel manicure.
Okay, I'm gonna take your temperature.
Okay.
96.9, and have you filled out this form before?
No, ma'am.
Okay, can you fill this out for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Maddie. I'm gonna check your temperature, okay?
Okay.
96. And you can write at the end for me, please. And you want nails and toes separate time, right?
Yes. I have nicking for my toes.
11.
Yeah.
Okay. Pick out your color, please.
Wait, is this here?
No, this is not here.
Oh, okay. I thought it was. I didn't know where is this place?
I'm not sure. If you have the account with us, you receive something like that too. Okay.
And then 20% for each.
Okay. Your total is 131, okay? And you can add your you can put your card in here.
Oh, okay.
You can add the tip later.
Oh, I see. Can you explain to me this one?
Okay, let me ask, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. This is the
Base?
herbal
Yeah.
pedicure, $5 for callus remover,
Uh-huh.
gel polish,
Uh-huh.
and this is the acrylic nail fix. She fixed for you for 6 toes.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Oh, wait, $20.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Here you go. You can insert it here.
Oh, okay. No.
Tracy, pedicure.
So, it gives a total.
Yes, this is the total, and you can add the tip.
I know. So 20% here, 20% there.
Let me see. 16.6 on here. Do you want to make it?
The 17.
This is 20% of this one.
Okay, so I'll make it just 17.
And 48, 9.6.
So 10.
10. So 27.
Great, thank you. So, customer. We'll just do finger.
Copy. Sorry. So this one, maybe next time you don't need them anymore.
Right. I
Okay.
Hope, yeah. She did a miracle.
Thank you.
So it's just
You want a copy?
Yes, please. Oh, let me ask you. I was telling Tony about this eye, how it droops, the lid. He said that they can help it with, I think, some kind of
We do the waxing only, not
I see.
the dripping.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe there was
Not
some
the
kind of
dropping.
topical.
I think the one downstairs, I think I changed the name a couple times, so I don't know.
Okay.
But they
First
have
floor,
the
second floor?
Botox. First floor. It's next to Earth Crab drink.
Okay.
So you might take a look.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right. So I'm okay.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you
great.
very much, Julie.
Thank you. Take
Have a good day.
care.
Give me 1 second, okay? You got the color?
I got the color for my toes. I can't find it on here, but this is the color I want for my nails.
And you
Just
want
a gel.
matching?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Cô này. Chị này cô này có bằng tay nữa. Tay cho lắp thì chị có làm với chị thấy cái bạn này. You can have a signature right with you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready for you. You can go ahead and put in your phone number. Where? Tap on the screen. It's 103 for you today, okay? You pay with app?
Yeah, that's fine.
Venmo? She had nails with Ethan, but I swapped them.
Next time.
Okay.
Five, okay?
Your finger.
I am. I was supposed to
Did
get
you
a-
give me some email and stuff?
Yeah, I did.
Was it you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Right here. This is for you. When you redeem that, when you claim that deal.
Oh.
This is for me. Let me see. This is the collagen and keratin gloves for your hand. You can use it a lot of times. My customer uses it 4 times. So after that, I don't know yet. But as long as it's still wet, you can use it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hope you like it.
Thank you.
Hello, Octavia Royal Nails.
Hi, good morning. I'm looking to schedule an appointment with Nikki. So I was wondering if she has availability today at 5 p.m.
Today, yes. What would you like to get done?
So I want to do dipping for my hands and then regular manicure for my toes.
And you want Nikki to do your nails?
Yes, please. If she's
Okay.
available.
Can I have your phone number, please?
Sure. It's 832-818.
832-818.
Correct.
And your name is?
Lana.
Can you spell it, please?
Lana.
Okay, I'll see you today at 5 o'clock with Nikki.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
I like it a lot.
You like it? That's good.
Yeah, because on the French ones, it would be so white on the tip, and it wasn't my favorite because it was like so white. So I love this.
This is a trend. So you love trendy then?
This is a trend. I just
This
it
is
looks
very
more natural
beautiful.
than the
Yeah.
white chips. You know,
This is very beautiful. You like it?
I like it a lot. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and put in your phone number. This is called ombre nails, okay?
Okay.
Okay, for your nails today, it's gonna be 73, okay?
Wash that.
Looks beautiful.
I really like it. It'll look great with my sweatpants inside.
You can insert the card here. Can I take a picture of your nails?
Sure. See, the other was a little confusing because it wasn't shiny, but he said that's the matte color.
Yeah, that's the matte. You can do matte and no matte. Hi, I'll be right with you, okay? Okay, thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome. Thank you for suggesting it.
No problem. I'm happy that you like it. Thank you. What can I help you today?
I have an appointment. I think it's under Allie or Stephanie, maybe. For an eyebrow and lip wax.
Okay, sign in for me, please.
Do you all do eyebrow tinting?
Yes,
How long does that take?
about 15 minutes.
Is there any way I could do that as well?
Sure.
How much is that?
Tintin, I believe it's $20.
Okay, perfect.
Just eyebrow, right?
Just eyebrow.
Okay.
And then I'll lip wax.
Lip wax.
Thank you.
Eyebrow wax too?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna check your temperature, okay?
Okay.
And today just only you, right?
Yes.
96.4.
Do I need to sign one of these?
You signed already. Right?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can have a seat and I'll call him ready. Hello, Ethan waxing and tin anh.